Welcome to the launch of the all-famous Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. You will be the first to test drive the new dynamics of this tough new machine.
The new Prado exhibits 9 changes in the exterior alone, creating a refreshed design that keeps tough styling at its roots.
It has more of everything: sophistication, style, driving performance, advanced features, and safety.
And while it makes the vehicle stand out on the roads, this modern look does not compromise on its off-road capabilities. The Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a car that reaches the unreachable.